Hi guys, good morning. I just want to share again our rooftop garden, guys. Hope to inspire people that gardening is possible even on our rooftop. We can just recycle our empty containers, guys, like those empty gallons, guys. We were able to produce vegetables. These peppers are just planted on empty containers, and it's now fruiting, guys. We have used empty basin. There's another one there. Those pails, guys. Guys, ampalaya on the pails. And it's flourishing, guys. It's starting to bear fruits. So, it's possible, guys, to have a garden in our home, even on our rooftop. And we have onions here, guys, just planted on pet bottles. We have taro, guys. These are the ones we are delicious for laing. So leaves. And the pots, guys. Instead of planting flowers, I decided to plant vegetables, guys. So that in due time, we can harvest and save on buying vegetables. Kangkong just on pots and empty gallons, guys. Here we have malong, guys. Beans, guys. We have wing beans here, guys. I have collected some fruits last week. Pechay, just on gutters, rain gutters, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope to inspire people that gardening is possible, even on our rooftop. We don't need to spend more because we can recycle our empty containers. Thank you for watching. Let's harvest some saluyot, guys. It's nutritious, good for our body. And this is easily grown, guys. You just have to spread some seeds on the soil. It does not require much caring. As long as you water them, they will grow. And we can have free vegetables, healthy and nutritious. Thank you for watching again. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. We have banana too, guys. There at the corner. Tomatoes at the center with the malunggay on pots. Taro. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoy watching our videos, especially about gardening. Home gardening, guys. Container gardening. Thank you for watching.